Oh, oh, it's a kick. Whoa! Absolutely launched me. Looking like the Trans-European Trail officially starts just down here. Well, this is stunning, isn't it? Like a Jurassic landscape. Wow. This is it. Start of the trail. First ever Trans-European Trail. Wow. This is cool. The views are absolutely unbelievable, by the way. We're cruising. Alright, chaps. Alright, lads. This is ace. A lot of walkers though, so you got to be respectful and take it steady, but the views up here are incredible. I wish I could tell you what part. I'm just up from Settle, so I'll put where I am on the map. There. Hiya. Wow. Cheers, troops, thank you. I love this bike. What a bit of kit. Oh, oh, it's a kick. Whoa! Absolutely launched me. Ooh. Look at this! Oh, it's very rocky. Martin must have gone to the bottom. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yes! I love it. Absolutely. Love it. Nice and easy up back brake. Into that wall. Oh wow. Some green lane, that. That's probably an easy bit. Wow. This is Stainforth. I mean, we've just gone up the moors to come back down. I think we're going back up the moors now. But these little English villages, I know I keep saying it, but they are unbelievable, you know. Absolutely stunning. The T7 is such a capable bike. Yeah, the Dales are just stunning. Look at it. Look at these walls. Look at the size of dry stone walling. Fairy tale land, isn't it? Open to all traffic, oh boy. You ready? So this is another part of the Trans-European Trail. This is just meant for an adventure bike. It's amazing. I know I'm late to the party. It's only been going years, but it's my turn as well. It's alright, dude. I'm not pushing the old girl. She's heavy.
Suppose it's only right that I open this gate.
Any of you guys... Ignore the broken plate. Any of you guys got the world red? And would you recommend it over this? And what are the differences? That's what I want to know. I know TET screen, a few other bits. Suspension's supposed to be a little bit better on it, isn't it? Oh, I see. Chill.
To try to escape.
Go!
Oh. I opened gate and they all ran for gate.
Look at the trails, man. Ooh. These trails are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Go, go, go!
Oh. I'd like to say it false neutral, but I think I did that manually.
Right, let's catch the GS. Got to avoid these massive rocks though. They're not good for you. Oh, it's going to get harder. This is it. Right, let's catch that GS anyway.
Not the quickest commute home from work, is it?
Probably should have put my tyres down a little bit. Bit of a puddle. Bit of a jump.
You warm?
Boiling.
I'm boiling too.
Nice to meet you.
What a beast.
Hiya. Hi there. Hi guys.
Nice steady away. I've got to say second gear's the way to go. I don't know what other people on other bikes are, but I think second you've got control, a bit of freewheel. You can't really brake. I don't know if you can turn ABS on this. I don't know if you can turn it off, should I say.
We're just flying down the Trans-European Trail. It's getting a bit rocky. So I'm just, yeah, loving it really. It's absolute class. It's getting a little bit difficult in certain sections, it's getting a bit harder. Them rocky bits are hard. But yeah, honest review so far, 12 out of 10. Martin's just cased it on a massive rock. Look at that view! Wow! Oh, what a day for it as well. I've been so lucky to be out on the bike quite a lot recently. It's just a dream job, isn't it? To be doing this all day every day. Don't get me wrong. Ooh, ooh. Some of these rocks are huge, but we're getting through it. T7's eating it up. Oh, yes, yes it is. Good. Look at that view. Woo! Oh, this is epic, absolutely epic. I love all the 486 gates. I seen a little jump. I think I've smacked my reg again. What a bike. I love this bike so much. The T7's just class. How do you feel on the GS?
The GS?
Are you doing so well on the big old lummocks?
Oh yes. I'm glad I brought some poo bags.
It's lovely, do the walkers do wait for us. Right, dude. Boys.
Doing it? Yeah. There's a few. Couple of sketchy moments.
Don't go up that one.
Oh, have you just come down there?
Yes, that's really rough.
Is it? Yeah, we're going that way. I know, I've just seen them. We're going to go.
Thank you.
Yeah, probably a bit too smart for this. Probably.
No. Enjoy. See you later, guys. Thank you. See ya. Fuel hadn't even moved. God, I love this bike. Amazing. Absolutely. I know I've said it 486,000 times, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. This has got to be my new favourite place to ride, I think, guys. I know it's every... This is just incredible. With green lanes and that as well. Be a perfect place to come trial yourself out, you know, if you're a beginner or a novice. So we're just heading towards Ingleton now. Just cruising. Wow. This Trans-European Trail is, I know I've said it 87 times, but this is the best road. Like, I know these are normal roads, but how they've mapped this out is credit to them. We were just talking about it then. It's absolutely amazing. Going from your green laney kind of off-roading and then into these beautiful little twisty turny villages.
Going back to what Dom just said about amazing how we can go from a trail to a road on these bikes, and the best of both. Everyone's got their own opinions on certain bikes and certain jobs. It is an adventure bike, we're out for an adventure.
Famous for its falls. It's beautiful, Ingleton Falls, and the caves. Stunning little place, good little holiday destination. Got that. I'm sure there's an antique shop here that's on TV. You just never think to ride these roads. It's ace. Hey, I think we're going to head here, see how far we can go on this trail, and then we're going to head to Malham and then get off. That's it for today, but it was more just to trial out the T7, the GS on the Trans-European Trail before we go to before we head up to Spain, or out to Spain, the Picos Mountains. That's going to be next, well, not the next video, but this year. So we'll just kind of see how we got on, really, because Martin didn't know whether he was going to, because he's going to come with me, he didn't know whether he was going to swap his bike for one of those CR300 rallies or a Tenere. He just definitely wants something a little bit lighter, but we'll ask him. We'll see how he's got on with that today, because it is a big everything, but they're more than capable. But if you drop it, you need a crane to get the big boy up. I know Martin's got a head the shape of a crane, but that's not to do with me, is it? Scar end side of the Trans-European Trail, and honestly, you feel like you're going through someone's garden to get here. Ice cream! This is so cool.
Are you drinking all that?
Yeah. Is it?
No, it's just a piece of rubber. What do you do with it?
Just give him it back and ask him to fill it up.
Yeah.
What an adventure. What a trip. Ice cream van. Farmhouse ice cream. On the Trans-European Trail.
It says you can fill it up, but it'll look more like lemonade.
Apple juice. Look at this. Yes. Do you want me to go? Yeah, I'll go. I've got boots on.
Regularly on. Oh.
Yes! That is a lot deeper than it looks. Oh, he's pissed it. He did it easy, did he?
How did you like that then?
Should we go back in it?
Yeah, well.
It's our first ever water crossing. You smashed that. I say to him, I says, I don't know how he's going to get on here. That thing's well heavy. And you just went through it like the HMS GS. He smashed that then. I got stuck straight away. I've never done a water crossing before. And it was well deep. Cheers, chaps. Thank you. Supposed to be waterproof, these boots. That's bull. Please don't be a gate, please don't be a gate, please don't be. Thought we'd just get some distance between me and the GS. Got the berm. Wow. Nope. Don't fancy getting wet again. Oh. Oh. Right, let's see where we're going here. Alright, this is the last of it, I think, up here. Is that alright? What's up?
I thought I'd dented my wheel.
Why do you smack your wheel? I did. Is mine dented?
Yeah.
I hit it really hard as well. What a place to be alive. Look at the sheepies. Wow. So we've got to get from here to Malham, so I might have to start making up the miles soon. front end a little bit of a slip there. Can catch you out, this stuff, you know. What a day it's been so far. I've absolutely loved it. And if you haven't already, guys, please like and subscribe. Hit that hype button on your phones if you haven't already, and share the channel, share the love. It just helps me out massively. Thank you very much. This is Malham. Beautiful place. Don't know how close we can get on the bikes though. This is the way down to Gordale Scar, where The Witcher was filmed. Where Witcher season 2, if you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, it's a little hidden gem, this. Everyone goes to Malham Cove, but I don't know if everyone knows about Gordale Scar. They probably do, but this is ace. And then you've got Janet's Foss waterfall just next to it.
Hello everybody. No good for this bit of air, man.
You're getting a suntan there, old boy.
Helmet
Where's
hair.
that come from?
Helmet, you know.
Where's
that,
that come
You
from?
know that cradle cap or whatever? It's helmet hair. The amount of years I've been riding it, just wears it out in the middle of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should. I like the stream. You think you could ride it? I'll call it up.
No. To be honest.
From what we've previously seen, no, I don't know.
Hey, listen, I've been waiting for you all day.
You tell me to hang back.
I keep holding on for you and then going. Right, let's go catch the GS. Catch the GS.
It's been weird.
Your two pairs blowing off.
It's too weird. Come on.
Get it back for you. Oh God, it's gone. Put it back on.
Cheers, dude.
It's alright, mate, anytime. Not down there, up there. It's alright.
Your toothpaste falling off.
Oh, it looks so good.
Wrong place.
What is
It's
it?
not that toothpaste.
Is it an amuse bouche?
It's a move.
At least we're just going to go from here to Malham Cove, over that hill basically, and then home. Sweet. How do you think you've got on the Trans-European Trail?
Yeah, good.
Look bloody good to me.
Better than I
So.
thought.
Looked awesome on that thing.
Yeah. It's yeah, better than I thought it would
There
be.
were some harder bits, wasn't there?
There was some harder bits, yeah.
At least you know that you can take the GS to the Pecos Mountains with me.
Yeah.
You'll be fine. Right, prepare to be mind-boggled.
Mine Viagra.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
It's another 10 minutes from here.
Yeah. Massive waterfall there.
Normally it's huge. You can climb up. So you can climb up it, right? And at the top of that waterfall there's stairs and it goes up again. That was Gordale Scar. Absolutely awesome. Now we're going back uphill. We're going to head over to Malham Cove. Yeah, show you where Harry Potter was filmed. I think it's definitely Hallows Part 1. But yeah, what a day it's been. a day it's been, everybody. Absolutely loved it. We're just at Malham Cove. It's seriously windy. All the GoPros have died, so we're going to head home, aren't we?
We are indeed, we are indeed.
Right, see you later, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.